In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD territory. We're still resting right above the 100 moving average, this orange line at a price of $1,778.90. With the forward chart, we are approaching to positive MACD. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in negative MACD territory, and as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $162.10. My sell target is at $167.04. My stop loss is at $161.29. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $170.34, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $162.92, and my stop loss is at $171.19. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 2.5%, a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.5%, and a 40% chance to fall between negative 2.5 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.